Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule pending trade in poker option. So if you want to schedule a pending trade or you want to schedule your trade in poker option, here is a quick method on how to do that. Open up your poker option app on your phone. Once you open it, you should have something like this on your home page. Then you tap on this option which is pending trade. Tap on it. So if you want to make a trade with a schedule, then you have to select the asset which is your cryptocurrency pair. So you can select from any of these cryptocurrency you want. The cryptocurrency pair, so I'm just going to tap on this option which is AUD USD OTC. So I'm going to select it, then select the amount of the payout, which is the 60% payout. If you want, you can configure that. Then you can set your time frame to be 5 minutes or 1 minute. After that, you also input by the price, input the amount of value you want to purchase as the asset, then the current. Once you do that, once you configure all of that, then you can now determine if you want to buy or you want to sell according to the rising and falling of the demand in the market. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, you can follow for more. Thank you.